Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got a diamond painting unboxing for you from a company that is brand new to me, and I feel like they are pretty new in general. So let's get in and then we'll have a little chat about it as I unbox. So this is how it came to me, nicely boxed in cardboard, but within that we have a very lovely looking professional box, which is always very nice. Gives us information about the kit contents. We've got some instructions. Enjoy your diamond painting journey. Reminder not to take the whole piece of film off before your dotting is completed. Store your diamonds in a safe place out of child's reach. Very nice to be reminded of these things. So this is the socials there. So the company is FEELOOK and it is feellookart.com. And the canvas that I have picked is this Ocean Girl. I got her in a 48 by 54. I will check the actual size once we get her open, and I got her in round. So let's, got some tape on here as well. Let's open at this end. Okay, so what do we get in the box? Oh, okay, so everything looks like it. Okay, it's going to be a bit of crinkling. Bear with. Get rid of that. Okay, so we have got just bring it down a little bit. We've got a felt backed canvas. It has got a serged and scalloped edge. We've got the company logo right there. Sparkle up your life, FEELOOK. Yeah, it's a nice feeling canvas. It is a little stiffer than some others, but that's fine. It will probably still flatten out just lovely. Really clear image showing up here, which is very nice. We've got a very large border, so I will check the size of the printed area. Get some bits, but let's just come on, put you over there. This is our canvas. We have got some very sticky poured glue, which is lovely. Yeah, this is looking nice, and 30 colours. So mine has got a bit of a crease in this side, but I think that'll be fine once I've got this rolled. And in fact, because it is poured glue, we can roll it back on itself. Do not ever do this if you've got double-sided tape on your canvas, or if you're not sure, because you will end up with all sorts of trouble. There we go, it's sitting much flatter now already. So let's get a little measuring tape out. We'll just have a check. Oh, in fact, it says it on here. We've got design size and fabric size. So I'm going to assume that the fabric size is going to take us, yeah, to 48, which is what it tells us. But the design size is 40. So the picture that you are going to be drilling is a 40 by 45. Nice size. Very nice indeed, and I love these colours. So let's have a look at the kit and everything else that we get. It comes in a branded bag. Looks like a sort of an upscaled basic kit. Let's have a look. We've got 2 plates of heart-shaped wax. We've got a white Mosfet style boat. Got our standard pen with brass single placer, and it comes with the nice skinny 4 placer. Those are my favourites. Little squishy. We've got numbered stickers, which is nice, going up to 50. They don't have the symbols on, but we do have numbered stickers. And we've got, I'm not going to get those all out, but loads of baggies. Plus we've got some angled tweezers, nice metal ones. So all in all, everything you need and a little bit more. We've got, comes with instructions. Always nice if you are somebody who is new to this hobby, or if you were gifting it to somebody who is doing it for the first time. Very nice indeed. Okay, so it says, a few years ago, by chance, I discovered sparkling diamond. As a cross-stitch handicraft enthusiast, I realised that the diamond form would be very effective when applied to cross-stitch. I created a demo diamond painting, and the result fascinated me. Inspired by this, I wanted to share this unique art form. It's the FEELOOK founder, Athena. Now, FEELOOK offers high-quality diamond paintings to the world, bringing the joy and beauty of this DIY craft to everyone. I hope you can come to enjoy this art form. They are using a high precision soft fabric, resistant to wrinkles, which certainly it is flattening out nicely. An environmental glue. We use imported high viscosity glue, which sticks firmly and prevents diamonds from dropping easily. They provide you with 15 to 25% more diamonds than necessary. A complete colourful printing with durable and fade-resistant colours and clear symbols, and they adhere to the DMC colours, ensuring they are vibrant and shining. They use acrylic diamonds, if that's important to you. And the materials are well chosen, ensuring products are healthy and secure, environmentally friendly and safe. So, nice to know. Our drills come on a little drill train. They look very nice indeed. I will get them out and have a bit of a look. Whilst I am doing this, get rid of the crinkle. Yeah, so whilst we have a little look at these colours, I will also tell you that from the 10th of June to the 15th of June 2025, in case you're watching in the distant future, they are having a summer sale. There is 20% off from their Capture Summer on Canvas range. So it's well worth checking out. That's going to be the skin colour, lots of that one. Always worth checking out a new company when they're having a sale, so you can get the best bang for your buck. Oh, look at these purples. Lovely. Bit of black, not too much. There we go. Oh, and another one. Must be. Yeah, these colours are lovely. What we've not got, we've not got any ABs, so that's fine. I'm slowly building up a bit of a stash of fairy dust, and so I might add a few little fairy dust maybe into some of the fishies, something like that. I think that could be quite nice. But that's where we're at for the moment. Oh, crinkly. I am quite impressed. I did reach out to them before agreeing to do an unboxing. I did reach out to them to ask about the origin of their artwork, and they said that currently their artwork is designed by their in-house team, but as they expand, they are open to taking on other artwork from other artists, and will of course be open and upfront about celebrating those artists and putting their names on the canvases, which is always lovely to hear. So this one is currently on their website at $49.99, which, you know, is quite a premium kit. I think that's okay. I will see how it works up and see how I feel about it after the fact. However, should you wish to go and check them out, aside from their summer sale, they have also been kind enough to give me a code for my subscribers and viewers. That code will be on screen now. It is Crafty10 uppercase, and that will get you 10% off your purchases. So go give them a try, have a look, see what you think, and let me know. Come back and tell me your feedback. I think she is super cool, and she's not like anything that I've got. I don't have a lot of mermaidy sea kind of underwater canvases at all, so she's a nice addition to my collection. And yeah, I'm not sure when I will work on her, but I will get to her as soon as possible. If you've been around for a while, you know I've got a bit of a backlog at the moment. And of course, diamond painting is not the only thing I do on this channel, so I'm trying to get through things all in good order. And with that being said, I think we're probably done here. I'm really pleased with how this looks. And yeah, I will be interested to work on it. Like I say, diamonds look super shiny. The canvas looks incredibly clear. We've got a mixture of alphanumeric and basic symbols, but everything is lovely. So clear. Yeah, I actually don't think this one will take too long. It's a really nice mixture of some very colour blocky areas, and then up in the details we've got a bit more confetti, but on the whole very nicely put together. What I don't know, and I will reach out to them and ask, and I'll pop a little comment on, is I don't know if these are hand rendered or if they are computer rendered. I'll see if I can tell when I'm working it up, but in the meantime I will reach out to them and see if I can find out some information for you. So I think that is everything from me. As I say, go check them out, make use of their summer sale, which is from June 10th of this month, so this month 10th to the 15th 2025 June. That gets you the 20% off, and use my code Crafty10 for 10% off. Whether those will stack or not, I don't know, but it's worth trying. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you to FEELOOK for trusting me to share your canvases, and thank you to everybody that watches. Particular thanks, as always, go out to my supporters over on Patreon and here as YouTube members. You guys are the best. If anyone fancies joining them, it is just 99p per month. You'll get early access to my videos, priority comments, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. And until next time, stay crafty!